is the best value you will find anywhere, and he stands behind his work 100%. And my name is AJ Hodder. I've been in facilities for quite a number of years. He came on site, he evaluated the situation, he came up with quite a few solutions, and he put them into play. And I've essentially been with Chris ever since. I'm at my third facility now, and Chris has been so good that I've always found a way to bring Chris on board because he's just that good. He's absolutely the best in the business, and I've met many different HVAC companies and HVAC guys who are pretty darn good, and Chris is typically head and shoulders above all of them. If you're considering getting an HVAC company on site to do repairs, or better yet, to come up with a maintenance plan, I urge you to consider Pacific HVAC Service. Again, I've had Chris support my facilities everywhere I've gone, and his work is top notch. But mistakes happen, and things sometimes don't get done according to plan or as well as you thought. Chris never hesitates to come back and make it right. For him, it's not a dollar thing, it's a pride thing, it is a reputation thing. He stands behind his work, he stands behind his name. I'm telling you that if you are considering an HVAC company, you can't find one with better integrity, credibility, performance, and value than Pacific HVAC Service.